Have you ever wondered what happens when a futuristic electric car company meets the world's largest automotive market? Today, we're diving deep into the question that's been buzzing on everyone's lips. Does Tesla build cars in China? Imagine a world where the sleek, futuristic Tesla Model 3 is rolling off assembly lines in the heart of China, a country renowned for its manufacturing prowess. It sounds like something out of a sci-fi film, right? But is it true? Let's find out. Before we delve into the specifics, let's take a quick trip down memory lane. Tesla, founded by Elon Musk, has been at the forefront of electric vehicle technology. With its innovative designs and cutting-edge battery technology, Tesla has captured the imagination of consumers worldwide. But as the company's popularity soared, so did the demand for its vehicles. China, on the other hand, is a country with a booming automotive industry. It's the world's largest car market, with millions of new vehicles sold every year. With such a massive demand for automobiles, it's no surprise that many global automakers have set up operations in China. The Gigafactory Shanghai. So, does Tesla build cars in China? The answer is a resounding yes. In 2019, Tesla opened its Gigafactory Shanghai, a massive manufacturing facility located in the city of Shanghai. This factory is not only Tesla's first overseas plant, but also the largest automotive factory ever built outside of the United States. The Gigafactory Shanghai is a marvel of modern engineering. It's equipped with state-of-the-art machinery and technology, allowing Tesla to produce vehicles at a rapid pace. The factory is also highly automated, with robots performing many of the tasks that were traditionally done by human workers. Why China? But why did Tesla choose China as the location for its first overseas factory? There are several reasons. First, China's vast automotive market provides a huge potential customer base for Tesla's vehicles. Second, the Chinese government has been supportive of electric vehicles, offering subsidies and incentives to encourage their adoption. Finally, China's manufacturing expertise and infrastructure make it an attractive location for companies like Tesla. Challenges and controversies. While the Gigafactory Shanghai has been a success for Tesla, it hasn't been without its challenges and controversies. One of the biggest issues facing Tesla in China has been competition. Chinese automakers have been rapidly developing their own electric vehicles, and some have even partnered with foreign companies to gain a competitive edge. In addition, Tesla has faced criticism over its data privacy practices in China. The Chinese government has strict data localization laws, which require companies to store their data within the country. This has raised concerns about the security of Tesla's customer data. The future of Tesla in China. Despite these challenges, Tesla remains committed to its operations in China. The company has continued to invest in its Gigafactory Shanghai and has announced plans to expand its production capacity. As the electric vehicle market in China continues to grow, Tesla is well positioned to capitalize on this opportunity. So, does Tesla build cars in China? Absolutely. The Gigafactory Shanghai is a testament to Tesla's commitment to the Chinese market and its ability to adapt to new challenges. While there have been some hurdles to overcome, the future of Tesla in China looks promising. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.